How to update Google Chrome in laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily update Google Chrome on your laptop. It's a quick process, so let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your Chrome browser. You can find it on your desktop. Once the Chrome is opened, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You will see the three dots. Click on those three dots to open the menu. From the menu, select the settings. This will take you to the settings page. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled About Chrome. Click on it and Chrome will automatically check for updates. If you are connected to the internet, Chrome will start updating automatically. Just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you will see the updated version number. Finally, click on Relaunch button to complete the update process, and that's it. Your Google Chrome is now up to date. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.